Introducing the Made-In Grill. Handcrafted in Texas with a durable carbon steel body and a precision-engineered stainless steel grill grate. Designed to deliver professional-grade performance wherever you take it. This portable grill is perfect for a quick backyard dinner, a spontaneous tailgate, or a weekend escape outdoors. Versatile by design, the grill gives you 2 cooking surfaces in one. Use the stainless steel grate for searing steaks, burgers, and vegetables, or, in seconds, retract the grate to drop in your made-in carbon steel griddle. Ideal for breakfast sandwiches, pancakes, fish, smash burgers, or stir fries. To ignite, you can use a chimney starter or build a bed of lump charcoal or briquettes directly inside the grill box. We recommend placing a natural fire starter beneath the pyramid of charcoal and adding a few pieces of hardwood for extra flavor. Once lit, allow the coals to ash over fully. Spread them evenly for consistent heat or pile them together on one side to create both hot and cool zones for more controlled cooking. The grill features 2 adjustable cooking levels. The top and bottom levels have locking notches. Use the higher position for high heat searing and the lower position for slower, gentler cooks. The middle level is designed for transport. Just slide the grate into place and lift into the notches to go. For smooth adjustments during use, we include a custom stainless steel key that allows you to lift and reposition the grate without directly touching the hot metal. Use a glove if you need to. Because the box conducts heat efficiently, we recommend using it with our silicone grill mat when grilling on surfaces like a table or tailgate. Once the grill has fully cooled, remove the ashtray for easy cleanup. Then cover it with the Made-In Grill cover to keep it protected until your next cook. The Made-In Grill is built for performance, engineered for portability, and made to last a lifetime, wherever you're cooking next.